Creating a viral TikTok video involves a combination of creativity, timing, and understanding what captures people's attention. While there is no guaranteed formula for making a video go viral, there are several tips you can follow to increase your chances. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to make a TikTok video that has the potential to go viral. Number 1. Identify a trend or concept. Stay up to date with the latest TikTok trends and challenges. Explore the Discover or For You page to see what content is currently popular. Look for trends, dances, or concepts that resonate with you and align with your interests. Add a unique twist. Once you've identified a trend or concept, put your own spin on it. Find a way to make your video stand out from the crowd by adding a unique element or showcasing your creativity. Adding humor, an unexpected twist, or a personal touch can make your video more engaging. Plan your video. Before recording, plan out your video. Think about the message you want to convey and how you can do it in a concise and visually appealing way. Consider the duration, transitions, and any props or effects you might want to use. Capture attention quickly. TikTok videos have a short attention span, so it's essential to grab viewers' attention within the first few seconds. Start with a visually striking moment or an attention-grabbing intro to hook your audience and make them want to watch the rest of the video. Quality matters. Pay attention to the quality of your video. Make sure you have good lighting, clear audio, and stable footage. A visually appealing video with high production value is more likely to catch people's attention and be shared. Keep it short and engaging. TikTok's maximum video length is 1 minute, but shorter videos tend to perform better. Aim for 15 to 30 seconds of engaging content that keeps viewers hooked from start to finish. Edit out any unnecessary parts to maintain a fast-paced and attention-grabbing video. Use captions and effects. Utilize TikTok's text and caption features to add context or emphasize key points in your video. Experiment with different effects, filters, and stickers to enhance the visual appeal and make your video more engaging. Leverage music and sound effects. Choose popular and catchy songs or sound effects that match the mood and theme of your video. TikTok offers a vast library of sounds to choose from, and using trending sounds can increase the chances of your video being discovered and shared. Optimize hashtags and descriptions. Use relevant and popular hashtags in your video's caption to increase its discoverability. Research the most popular hashtags related to your video's theme or content, but also be sure to use specific hashtags that are relevant to your niche or target audience. Post at the right time. Timing is crucial when it comes to viral content. Pay attention to when your target audience is most active on TikTok and schedule your video accordingly. Posting during peak hours or when a trend is gaining momentum can increase your video's visibility. Engage with the TikTok community. Actively engage with other TikTok users by liking, commenting, and sharing their content. Participate in challenges and trends, collaborate with other creators, and respond to comments on your videos. Building connections within the TikTok community can help your content reach a wider audience. Promote your video. Share your TikTok video on other social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook to extend its reach beyond TikTok. Encourage your friends, followers, and fans to like, comment, and share your video, which can increase its chances of going viral.